Today I'm going to tell you about a new product called the Perfect Bungee. This is a standard bungee cord that you would buy out of any hardware store. You can see here that they've got these kind of coiled metal hooks on the end. They're probably going to rust before long. They've also got this little metal tie on the end here of the cord itself. So these have got a limited lifespan. With the weather, with the salt, etc. These are going to degrade pretty quickly, and you've probably experienced that yourselves. Now what we've got is the Perfect Bungee. Okay, why is it perfect? It's because it's UV, fuel and chemical resistant. It's also all weather and all year, so you could have this outside all year long in any conditions, salt water, whatever you like. It's got these nylon hooks which are moulded in, so these aren't going to come away and they aren't going to damage the workpiece that you've tied down. You've got these reinforced holes in them as well, so what that allows you to do is, rather than hooking these things together like you would traditionally need to do, which by the way would cause the hooks to rust, you could just hook it back on itself like this into these reinforced holes, just like that. These will stretch to twice their length. Okay, so this is a 36-inch bungee, that'll go to 72 inches, and it'll stretch its way back again without any problems, and that's forever. These have got a lifetime warranty. Okay, so you'll buy these once, you'll never need to buy them again. This is another one. This is a 48-inch bungee, slightly different makeup. It only has one hook on there, but again you can tie another bungee onto that, or you can hook this bungee so it ties back on itself. And then another product from the Perfect Bungee is this. It's the Flex Web. It's just like a cargo net. Each of these is 36 inch in length. Again, it will stretch to twice its length. If you stretch it right out on either side, it's going to go to 144 inches. You can hold something pretty big down with that. At the top here, on the ring, it's got these little carabiner hooks which hook straight on or off, so you can actually use these as individual bungees if you want. This will roll up just quite easily, just like this, so that you can fit it back in its bag and it's easily stored in the back of your car or wherever you want to store it. So there you go. That is why the Perfect Bungee is so much better than a traditional bungee.